वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण ने केंद्रीय बजट 2024-25 पेश कर दिया। बजट में मोदी सरकार ने ग्रामीण विकास के लिए खजाना खोल दिया है। सरकार ने इसके लिए 2,66,000 करोड़ रुपए आवंटित किए हैं। दरअसल सरकार चाहती है कि किसान सिर्फ खेती तक सीमित न रहे, वो आगे बढ़कर अपना उद्योग भी शुरू करें। इसके लिए सरकार MSME पर खास जोर दे रही है ताकि किसानों को खेती के साथ साथ बिजनेस से भी जोड़ा जा सके। MSME पर वित्त मंत्री ने संसद में क्या कहा, सुनिए।
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड सर्विसेज सपोर्ट फॉर प्रमोशन ऑफ MSMEs. दिस बजट provides special attention to MSMEs and manufacturing, particularly labor-intensive manufacturing. We have formulated a package covering financing, regulatory changes, and technology support for MSMEs to help them grow and also compete globally, as mentioned in the interim budget. I'm happy to announce the following specific measures. Credit guarantee scheme for MSMEs in the manufacturing sector. For facilitating term loans to MSMEs for purchase of machinery and equipment without collateral or third-party guarantee, a credit guarantee scheme will be introduced. The scheme will operate on pooling of credit risks of such MSMEs. A separately constituted self-financing guarantee fund will provide to each applicant guarantee cover up to 100 crore rupees, while the loan amount may be larger. The borrower will have to provide an upfront guarantee fee and an annual guarantee fee on the reducing loan balance. New assessment model for MSME credit. Public sector banks will build their own in-house capability to assess MSMEs for credit instead of relying on external assessment. They will also take a lead in developing or getting developed a new credit assessment model based on the scoring of digital footprints of the MSMEs in the economy. This is expected to be a significant improvement over the traditional assessment of credit eligibility based only on asset or turnover criteria. That will also cover MSMEs without a formal accounting system. Credit support to MSMEs during stress period. I'm happy to announce a new mechanism for facilitating continuation of bank credit to MSMEs during their stress period while being in special mention account, SMA stage. For reasons beyond their control, MSMEs need credit to continue their business and to avoid getting into the NPA stage. Credit availability will be supported through a guarantee from a government promoted fund.
अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया है तो इसे लाइक ज़रूर करें। अगर चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कर लें और नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन भी दबा दें।